After their fun trip to Ogbunike Cave, Ada, EJ, Ifeanyi, Michael, and Chioma sat around their campfire, excited and full of energy. They talked about the cool air, the bats, the sparkling waterfall, and even the slow tortoise they saw in the cave. I wonder what other caves are in Nigeria, Ada said with a twinkle in her eyes. I have heard about Awhum Waterfall and Cave. Would it not be fun to go there too? I want to explore more caves, EJ said, always the brave one. The friends began to plan their next adventure, not knowing that it will be filled with surprises and new challenges. The next morning, they set off for Awhum Waterfalls and Cave. The path was tricky with steep hills and slippery rocks. They had to be extra careful. As they walked through the thick forest, they heard strange rustling sounds. Suddenly, some wild animals ran by them, their eyes glowing. Did you see that? Michael whispered, holding a big stick just in case. We need to stay calm, Ada said, trying to be brave, though she was a little scared. The wild animals did not come close, but they kept watching the children from a distance. When the friends finally reached Awhum Cave, they were happy until they saw something strange. A tall, mysterious figure appeared in front of the cave. It looked like it was part of the mist and spoke in a deep voice. If you wish to enter Awhum Cave, you must be kind to one another. If there is any fighting or anger, the cave will trap you. The friends looked at each other, feeling a bit nervous. Chioma stepped forward and asked, "What should we do to prove we are kind?" Show your love and friendship. Only then will you be safe, the figure said. The 5 friends held hands and promised to stay together no matter what. They entered the cave, which was cool and full of wonders, including a beautiful waterfall. But as they were walking, Ifeanyi accidentally stepped on EJ's foot. "Ouch!" EJ shouted. "Watch where you're going." "I didn't mean to," Ifeanyi said, feeling sorry, but EJ wouldn't take that and they started arguing. Suddenly, the mysterious figure appeared again, along with some shadowy beings. "You have broken the rule. The cave will trap you because of your anger." The friends were scared, but Michael, Ada, and Chioma quickly stepped forward and said, "Please, we are sorry. We did not mean to fight. We love each other and we will always be friends." The figure paused and said, "Because of your love and friendship, you are forgiven. But remember, do not let anger divide you again." The shadows disappeared and the cave felt bright and peaceful once more. The friends were relieved. They finished exploring the cave, admiring the waterfall, and decided it was time to leave. As they hurried down the path, the sun was setting, and they remembered that spirits might come out at night. They quickly made their way to a nearby town, where kind villagers welcomed them with warm food and a cozy place to sleep. That night, Around another campfire, Ije smiled at Ifeanyi. "I am sorry for getting angry," she said. "I am sorry too," Ifeanyi replied. "Let us always be friends." And so, the adventure brought them even closer together. No matter what challenges they faced, they knew they could count on each other. "Aha," Michael said. "Do you remember my friends Oluwadara and Oluwatobiloba?" Ifeanyi responded. "They are going on an adventure." "I guess they will have fun just like us," Chioma said. As their voices echoed over the campfire, the moon whispered good night.